There are many species of monkeys. Some species are common, and people often encounter them. People find entertainment in monkeys, as their every action brings us joy. The resemblance between humans and monkeys makes them even more appealing. Due to religious reasons, monkeys are not harmed in India. Sometimes, monkeys can be overly mischievous, but they are still tolerated. The species that prefer not to live in populated areas and feel more free in the solitude of the forest are generally limited in number. Some species are even on the verge of extinction. If we observe each species of monkey, we find that they share some common characteristics, such as playfulness, eating habits, constant vigilance, jumping, and moving from one tree to another while caring for their young. However, there are slight differences in their diets. Most species, except for a few, are herbivorous. Each species has a distinct voice. In the end, every species provides us with entertainment.